हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम वर्कशीट नंबर 23 करेंगे। सब्जेक्ट साइंस, लाइफ प्रोसेसेस। ये आप देख सकते हैं डायग्राम डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम का है। इसमें जितने भी हमारे डाइजेस्टिव ऑर्गन्स हैं वो हैं। एलिमेंट्री कैनाल आप देख सकते हैं, डिफरेंट पार्ट्स आप देख सकते हैं। यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 जो है वो आप इसको ही देख के कर सकते हैं आराम से। अलग अलग पार्ट्स के अलग अलग फंक्शन है, मैं आपको बताता हूँ। लेकिन इससे पहले हम कुछ एंजाइम्स देख लेते हैं। माउथ्स में सीक्रेट होता है सैलिवरी एमिलेज विच कन्वर्ट स्टार्च टू शुगर, एंड इन स्टमक पेप्सिन विच ब्रेक्स डाउन प्रोटीन टू सिंपलर फॉर्म, एंड pancreas secrete trypsin. Trypsin converts protein to simpler form, and lipase converts fats to simpler form. Digestion in human being. Mouth. The digestion of food starts in mouth, where the food is broken down into simpler molecules. The saliva contains an enzyme called salivary amylase that breaks down starch, which is a complex molecule, to give sugar. यानी कि डाइजेशन माउथ से ही शुरू हो जाता है और सेलिवरी एमाइलेज जो है वो स्टार्च को कन्वर्ट कर देती है शुगर में। Esophagus. The food now moves along the food pipe by peristaltic movement, rhythmic contraction of muscles. Stomach. It has muscular wall with gastric glands present in them. These release hydrochloric acid, a protein digesting enzyme called pepsin, and mucus. The hydrochloric acid create an acidic medium which facilitate the action of the enzyme pepsin to digest proteins. The mucus protects the inner lining of the stomach from the action of the acid. It means कि एसिड तो बड़ा खतरनाक होता है, तो जो म्यूकस है वो हमारे स्टमक की इनर लाइनिंग को, इंटरनल एरिया को बचाती हैं। नाउ स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. फूड रीचेज फ्रॉम stomach through sphincter. Here, complete digestion of carbohydrate, protein, and fat takes place. The food coming from the stomach is acidic and has to be made alkaline for the pancreatic enzymes to act. It means pancreatic enzyme जो होते हैं वो alkaline medium में ही work करते हैं. Bile juices from the liver does this in addition to acting on fats. Fats are present in the intestine in the form of large globules, which makes it difficult for enzymes to act on them. Bile salts breaks them down into smaller globules, increasing the efficiency of enzyme action. Means fat को small drops में convert कर देते हैं. The pancreas secretes pancreatic juices which contain enzymes like trypsin for digesting protein and lipase for breaking down emulsified fats. The wall of the small intestine contains glands which secrete intestinal juice. The enzymes present in it finally convert the proteins to amino acid, complex carbohydrate into glucose, and fats into fatty acids and glycerol. ये इसके लास्ट प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं, प्रोटीन्स का अमीनो एसिड, कार्बोहाइड्रेट का ग्लूकोज और फैट्स का फैटी एसिड और ग्लिसरॉल. द डाइजेस्टेड फूड इज टेकन बाय up the walls of intestine through finger-like projection called villi, which increases the surface of for absorption. Villi are richly supplied with blood vessels, which takes the absorbed food to each and every cell of the body. Means digestion as well as absorptions takes place in a small intestine. Large intestine, the unabsorbed food is sent into the large intestine where more villi absorb water from this material. The rest of the material is removed from the body via the anus. The exit of this waste material is regulated by the anal sphincter. Now let us discuss the questions. Number 1. Name any one enzyme present in our small intestine and write its function. Trypsin. It digests proteins and break down it into simpler form. Question number 2. What is meant by peristaltic movement? Rhythmic contraction of muscles of alimentary canal is called peristaltic movement. This pushes the food forward. What is the role of the acid in our stomach? Hydrochloric acid creates an acidic medium which facilitates the action of the enzyme pepsin to digest proteins and also kills bacteria and viruses in the stomach that come with food. Question number 4. How the small intestine designed to absorb digested food? A small intestine has finger-like projections which increase the surface area for absorption of digested food.